This video is for entertainment. Like, do not take this video serious. This is all a script, gangy. Alright, so I'm gonna be going on this Hinge lookalike called Purple or Wink lookalike, but make sure you guys like subscribe and yeah, let's straight into this video.
Oh, yeah. She think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
She could DM anybody you want on this app. It's pretty cool. He said, hey. I must say, what's up? I'm gonna say that. Ooh, hold on. Nah, I already. Nah. Thought she was some fine shit, dude. But what's your response? We'll just swipe until we find something we like. A BBW. We like those. I'm gonna say. Where you from? Let's see if we could get that. Probably could. Ooh, she look good. A little Latina. Swipe those. It's basically Tinder, basically. Yeah, I could just swipe. I should just get Boost. I'm not gonna lie. Boost would be a lot better. Oh, hold on. I saw some good shit though. I'm not gonna lie. I might have said I'm Dallas ? I'm not from Dallas. I was about to say me too. I'm not from Dallas. I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say that. I don't even know what I'm sending. I'm honestly just trolling at this. Ooh, little milk. Little milk. She's sending a kissing emoji. She looked pretty good on my front. I gotta get on this one. I'm gonna say you better not be. You better be blowing me a kiss. You better be blowing me a kiss. I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't care, dude. HYYYY. Fonts right. Little emo. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I don't give a fuck, dude. Oh, UK. That's corny if I send that. That's corny if I send that, right? I don't care, dude. Bro, dude, she got a neck tat. I'm just waiting until I get an ad back. That's it, dude. I'm gonna wait until we get an ad back. This is a lot easier than Tinder, dude. A lot easier. Let's just swipe. See. Let's see if that works, dude. Let's see if we get the emo girl, dude. I said you look good too. Let's see what happens. See what happens, dude. Oh, she a little tall, dude. Oh no, dude. She NBA player. I would say. I don't know if this is a girl, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Is this a girl, dude? This is a trans, bro. I don't want to be disrespectful, dude. But this is a girl, dude. Y'all think there's a girl or is it a nigga? Like, I'm just being honest. Like, y'all niggas think. How tall you is, girl? I'll tell you. Oh shit. Oh shit. Thank you. Okay. We might get on something. You look better. Okay. Hold on. I'm 18. My Instagram. Should we just go Instagram shoot? I'm thinking if we're gonna go back to that. I'm gonna say of course. Should I say of course? Let's see if we get this. I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna say shit. If we shoot. I'm gonna say like her. Like, should we do that? Then we get her other stuff. We like we heart this, then we heart the other stuff. Fire. Then we go for the follow, dude. Let's see what happens. Let's see quest, dude. Oh, I like. It's like the face. Then you don't even know the body. Respectfully, dude. Not saying the body is. Not saying. Well, I'm just saying like. People be body fishing. I'm just being honest, like respectfully though. Cause you never know how somebody's face and body looks like. It's just facts though. It's just facts. Twin. The prettiest story. Keep swiping. She's from Idaho. I'm gonna say. Should I go for the shoot, dude? Should we go for the shoot? I was about to say that. She said it for me, dude. Bro. I'm gonna say. I don't know what to say, dude. I'm just being honest. Okay. I didn't expect her to send. Hey, bye. Huh? Who says that? Who says HB? Like, who says HB? How about you? bro. I'm sorry, but these abbreviations are trash, dude. Like, who says it like that? Like, I hate this abbreviation so much, dude, because I don't even know what that means, dude. I'm just being honest. What is an HIB? Like, what's a H? What's a hey bye? Like, oh, hold on. I'm not gonna lie, this is some fun shit right here, dude. Why did it not come? California. I don't know if I want to say that, but like, if I saw, I sell. Listen at. Let's see if we pull. Oh, I like this one. You guys know Instagram though? Fuck me, dude. Pause. It's all Baltimore shit. She sends her shit. I'm gonna be careful. I gotta be careful, dude. Got to. Her shit fat though. Is that her? I'm trucking with y'all. Yo. Black heart. We on her. Ooh, winter look good. Puerto Rican. Ooh. Honestly, I'm gonna slide with the Insta though. I'm a fanboy. What the fuck? My God. Oh my God, that's a nigga. Are you serious right now, dude? I can't do this, dude. This is crazy, dude. My end stream, I like the front, dude. Dude, that's crazy. Hold on. Why they do that to me? Oh my God. She said what I'm looking for on the app. I'm gonna say because I got her number now, so we just say nothing particular, but I'm just really on what you on. If we sell, dude. Honestly, not if I sell. Why did I say that? we shoot, dude. We're sharks today, not sellers. That's a hard tag. Is that Iggy? Shoot. Oh shit. Or 6. What? Yo, what is she sending? Yo, what is she sending? Hey, it's the one-on-one. Hold on. Let's get on this one. This shit crazy. Honestly, I just want to look at the Instagram. If it's this, we gotta examine Instagram. I'm not gonna lie, she look cute. You could definitely get this. Let's get this. I'm gonna say that. Oh, what is she sending? Why is she sending her digits like that though? Okay. These girls are always far away. Ooh, milk shit, milk shit. Damn, why she unadded me? I gotta be racially motivated. Like, what the fuck? Ooh. Fuck me, dude. That's a trap. Oh, I'm done with this. Yo, I can't do this to it. This is a tragedy. I'm a troll, dude. I don't know why I'm saying that, but fuck. I'm a troll, dude. I don't give a fuck. I'll be going, my mother. Let's see if we get it, dude. I don't know if I should send that though. We gotta tap in for real when you're out here and see what happens next. She said is I'm blind. Missing attitude. Bro, it's shit, yeah. Bro, I better say that. Fuck me. iPad. Free storage. Free storage. What do you mean free storage? She said, damn. I'm gonna say we know. I know. Bro, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Bro. Bro. Yo. Bro. Bro. He said I'm cute as fuck. Okay. You gotta talk on the phone for real. I'm trying to think of something to say right now, dude. I'm not gonna say stand by that if you. We gotta talk on the phone. We gotta let me get your number and see what happens. Let's see. Let's do that. Let me get your number and see what's happening. Let's see. Let's. Bro, I'm gonna say that. Honestly, I don't know what I'm saying. She hot. Can you cool the temperature down? We can restart this shit. Shit. I'm gonna say cool the temperature, lower the temperature. I'm gonna say that. Can we restart? Bro. I'm a troll, dude. Bro. Bro. I'm a troll, dude. I'm just trolling. I'm a trolling. Oh God. Bro, shit, I'm gonna troll her, dude. I'm gonna troll, dude. She's so hot, dude. I'm gonna troll her. Okay, let's. Bro, I can't say I like a girl, dude. Like, cause if I say something like, it might be a transgender. I gotta be careful, dude. Cause she cute. I gotta turn my boost on. Gotta turn my boost on. Let's launch that boost. What does this one do? Gotta turn that boost on. Let's see what happens. Turn that boost on. Swipe. Oh, I can see who added me. Okay. Go. Let's look at what you see. I forgot I got this feature now. I'm not seeing nothing I like right now, though. She don't look bad. I'm gonna add that one back. Oh, okay. I'm gonna look for the fine shit right now. I do like Latinos, so I'll get this one right here. Nothing that's pointing my eyes. Look, a little dark skin shit. Right here. Let's get this one. Milk. Not a milkman, dude. You don't look bad either. Ooh, hold on. I like girls with curls. I'm saying girls with curls do something to me, dude. Like, it's facts. It's facts, though. Is she Asian? She Asian, dude? Like, is she Asian? Nah, she Latina. I can't see these ones, dude. We could say hey, or it could just drag after her name too. I'll be forgetting you could just say their name too. Like, and girls mess with that too. You just say their name. Man, like, let's do that. Sometimes they don't fuck with it though. Like, one more N. Fuck it. Platts online right now. I must say, real. That's ATL Riz right there. You a 10 for real. I don't care. I don't care. That's what ATL niggas say. But that should be working though. Northwest. I should just go for girls that fuck, bro. Yeah, these the girls that added me. Hold on. Wave emoji. Where's the hand emoji? Where's the wave emoji? Right here. All right, I'm done today. Oh, she look good. Not a milk, man. Oh, not a good milk.
Huh? Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes, he is, girl. He's single.
Oh, yeah?